Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the retractable camera, unlatch the monitor stand to remove it. Unlatch and slide the back cover off the system. Identify the system board shield and remove the 6 screws. Lift the shield out of the system. Find the retractable camera and remove the 2 screws. Unlatch and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the camera out of the system. To reinstall the retractable camera, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables and relatch the camera. Tighten the 2 screws to secure it. Place the system board shield back in the system and install the 6 screws. Slide the back cover on the system and relatch the monitor stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.